Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this awesome shaggy rug here. This has got a 1.8-inch pile on the rug, and it is so soft, and it just adds such a cute look to the room. What do you think you like about it?
It's fuzzy and like soft.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think it looks really pretty in the room. It's so soft, it feels so good on your feet. The back of it, it's got this nice non-slip grip on the back. It's a nice soft material on here. Whenever this gets dirty, you can just take it outside, shake it off a little bit, or you can run a nice low pile vacuum over top of it and get any dirt out of it. So if you get a little spot on there, you can always spray it, and then just take a little cloth and wipe it off too. So this rug actually comes in a variety of different sizes. This is a 5x8, and it has a lot of different colors. So you can make this work for so many different rooms. It is just a nice, soft, beautiful rug. Just adds an aesthetic to all the different rooms. And it feels really nice to be able to crawl around on, to lay on. It's just a really nice addition to any room.